Wow.
Wow. Big picture of that. Oh.
Wow. Yeah.
Did it leap?
Oh yeah, here it goes.
I didn't even...
There it goes.
Oh, yeah.
There she goes.
That's wild.
Wow. Yeah.
Woohoo!
Wow, look at that.
Oh.
That is
You
a...
can see the smoke though at the bottom.
Oh.
That is a big old firework there.
Yeah.
Holy shit, look at that flame behind it.
Sounds should be coming soon.
Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Wow.
I hope you're taping this part.
Yeah, I got it.
Here
And
we
it's
go.
pretty
Here
small.
it goes. Just like a rally, a pep rally.
That's pretty cool.
You can kind of see the smoke.
Yeah, you can kind of... Matt, do you see the smoke?
Yeah.
The trail of smoke?
Yeah.
Listen to that.
Wow.
Poor Samson.
Wow.
Yeah. All right.
Jesus Christ.
It is very cool.
It's like going against the grain of like the stars are going in the other direction.
The higher it gets, the faster it's going to look like it's moving away from us because we're spinning. I don't know which way we're spinning, but.
Doesn't it look like it's going down now?
Yeah, but eventually it'll hit the horizon and go around the Earth.
I guess it's just going out that way.
It's going straight up.
Yeah. It doesn't look like it is.
This is our atmosphere. And
How cool is that?
That is pretty cool.
I just wish I could see all the smoke.
you can see the smoke. I like it better at night. Fireball.
It's like a friggin' comet.
That rumble got up there.
Yeah. It's like a wall of sound coming at you.
Oh.
Oh, did you see the little burst?
That means it went through.
I don't know what that might have been.
Oh!
Oh, they drop. Yeah, they drop right before they hit down on here. If it drops in the ocean, then they have to go pick it up.
Right.
Yeah.
That's what they had. That's why we found out about it. We were getting gas, and Matt looked down, and they had all these flyers saying, "Do not go in this area between these buoys for 4 hours or 5 hours."
Yeah.
I wonder if they've ever, like, some dumbass didn't know about it and he was like going to Bahamas or something and just got hit. little star now.
Yeah.
Little white star. Yeah, that was
Oh, that lit up the whole freaking horizon, though.
Sure did. It was
That
much
was
closer
awesome.
than
Yeah.
we realized. It was where all those lights were.
Yeah.
That's exactly
They
where
were
it came
shining
from.
a light right on the rock.
Yeah.
Wow. We did that just for you, Matt.
That was pretty cool. You guys are pretty good hosts. Hey! We did it! We did it! We launched a rocket!